Look what I got at the gate heading to Jamaica.
Time is 12:50.
Ice cream. Roman raisin, right? Yeah. So we're having lobster. What kind of? When I was younger, I used to be so scared. I did it. Ah!
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running out.
Where are you going?
Jamaica.
Guys, I've never seen nothing like this before. Hello.
Hi.
Can I have two? You know what? Thank you. Yes. Thank you. You're done. Hold them. Hi. Chicken. Can I have a beef, Mama? No, don't throw them out. No. I'm sorry. I'm so Thank you. Look what I got at the gate heading to Jamaica. Beef patty. This is gizzardo. This is coconut and butter and cheese. Awesome.
Time is 12:50 p.m.
This is Tasty's Patty, my favorite. There's two other companies. Two. You have Mother's, Juicy Beef, and Tasty, and this is my favorite. Y'all, this is so good. We just got off the flight, and the first thing we did was get patties, and then we're heading over that side to get some KFC. Wait, where is it? Yeah, somewhere over there. All right, y'all, later.
Seven bad like in 90s. Tell a boy don't step on my Nikes. Only pop good days get lively. And me day in my vibes, no one a negative tonight. So watch what you want to approach nicely. Me have bad girl a link on the IG. And if you check bang side about 90. Just the Henny and the weed and the bad girl indeed. And me day with the cheese on me iris. Touch down on Miami Beach. Only pop the girl I'm at the most 90 degrees. Girl I take her close, she and me saying what this is.
bad man funeral. And they go all out for a bad man in Jamaica. Jamaica is pure entertainment. Like, you could never be bored in Jamaica. What is, look at this. I mean, there's traffic, so. Guys, we're heading home from the funeral and guys, my first time driving on Flatbridge. Flatbridge. Show the bridge. Show the bridge. Ah! Listen, when I was younger, I used to be so scared. I did it. Ah! Woo! I know.
You used to be afraid to
Yes, Mr. Pray and close my eyes. Oh my God. No, we have to find Pum Pum Rock. Oh my God, we're supposed to outgrow that, but but yes, there's a rock that is shaped and look exactly like a vagina. You know which part it is? You know what I mean?
Somewhere and they have the penis on the next
No,
side.
they don't.
Yeah.
Where's the inside?
No, they have the penis
Oh,
on
that
the
new.
next side. Over here.
Record it when you see. We soon reach, right? I forgot why I don't know it though.
If you got turn off it. Yeah, turn off it.
Jamaica is so beautiful. But Jamaica hot. Taco?
I think it's somewhere up here.
You drive fast, but you have to take time. Might be the whole lot of treatment for my
Yeah, you're right.
No.
Them cut it down. But now we'll cut it down. Hey! Guys, it is so beautiful here. It's gonna be my official first day out. The past 2 days we've slept, we went to a funeral, and today we're heading out to get some stuff. We're heading to the supermarket because I didn't bring any stuff for the baby, like baby powder and stuff like that, because I thought I was overpacked, but I wasn't. So we're heading out today. We're gonna get some more patties because that's gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner along with KFC. But I'm gonna try to fit in some other food. But we're like really addicted to tasty patties. So yes, guys, I have on this top from Zara. My shorts is from H&M. It's really tight, but I like it. I don't care. And my sandals are from Target. Target saved me because I was trying to find the perfect brown sandals. Like in my head, I really want the Hermes. Yeah. But Target came through, and Steve Mann also has ones that are very similar to the Hermes ones. I feel comfortable, and guys, Jamaica is so nice. Even the water, even while taking a shower, the water feel. Mommy, yeah. When you're bed, the water feel different. No, you could say it's just me. It's not cold. They have warm water, but even the water on my skin feels different. Huh? What happened? That kind of swell. Oh, my mom's feet are swelling. Go there, sir. No, you could wear it. It is swollen, but you could still wear it. My hair is not blending in, but I don't care because I don't like lace wigs. And so this is it. My all in my tummy, so this is really what it looks like. Well, you can't really tell, but see the difference? All right, I'm hungry. Later, guys. This needs to be. Jamaica is so nice so far. The most entertaining thing so far was the bikers. So they had a funeral for like a really a bad man in Jamaica. So they went out, like everyone came out. There were soldiers, police, because they could have shootout like any minute. Like it's actually very dangerous, right? It's a dangerous event.
because it was like more than like 30 police.
A lot more than
A
30.
lot of
I
police.
think it's 30. It seemed like more.
Okay.
All right, guys. Later. Hey. Hey, guys. So we're now in Kingston. Wait, we're the downtown. We're downtown. So I gave my mom $750 to buy a watermelon. She was like, give me $1,000. I'm like, $750 is enough to buy a watermelon. So can you please just get us a watermelon? Because I want to give the baby some fruits. She came back saying $750 could only buy a slice of watermelon. Jamaica is expensive. A small little country, but we are so expensive. Expensive. The watermelon that I want, it's, how much did she say? I don't remember, but so I just got this right here. This, we're gonna eat some fruits, but I also want to get them whole, as a whole. Oh man, Jamaica expensive. It's crazy. This is papaya. Hope they're clean. Oh my god. I need to go home and clean them. Papaya tastes good. Whenever my mom comes to Jamaica, she enjoyed the full experience. We're downtown.
$500 and this is $150. So you have to give him money to go buy it.
The baby stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. My mom loves Jamaica. Whenever we come to Jamaica, she won't come and drag in the real part to enjoy herself and get what she wants. My mom's doing all the walking. She's actually being nice because she wants me to drive. I don't like the crowd. I don't like the hustling and bustling in Jamaica. I'm not a big fan of that. Like, I'll experience it for a few, then no, I'm done. So we're downtown getting some stuff. But then I'm gonna go to the supermarket where it's not as busy. But like I said, I didn't get any stuff I didn't bring anything for my baby on purpose because I thought I was overweight. So I want baby Vaseline, baby wash, and baby powder. I love baby. Us Jamaicans love our baby powder, but I don't use too much, but it makes them smell so good. And later we're gonna go get something nice to eat. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Devon's house, which I want ice cream place at Jamaica, or somewhere to get some food. I don't know yet. We've been eating patty for the past 3 days. I'm gonna give patties a break. I want some good food, get dressed up. My hair, I didn't bring a flat iron, so my hair's not blending out the way I want it to, but I prefer this than a lace wig. Like, I prefer not looking perfect, not having perfect hair, because I don't like lace wigs. So we're going to wear this for now. I don't care. I mean, my hair don't look like this in New York. I'm a mess in New York. The bundles I got from Amazon, it's okay. It sheds a lot, but I'm gonna get it again. I would not. It's time for braids. I'm not a wig girl, as cute as it make me look sometimes, but yes, guys, we're downtown. Ever since we've been in this car, the AC been on full blast. So much full blast, like you can't even turn it down. Can't turn it down. Alright. Hi, JJ. Sawfish with ackee and yam. Butter dumpling?
Huh?
Yeah, dumpling.
Yeah, this sauce is good.
And dumpling later. Real authentic Jamaican food. Mummy, real authentic.
Yes, real. Oh God, and the is it okay? Authentic. Oh. think of mango.
Me too. Papaya. We need some juice. Oh, fruits. All right, let's see how much they sell these watermelon for. $300. $368. We didn't buy any. Oh, yellow melon. Some nice yellow watermelon.
Water dew melon.
What is it?
Water dew. Like
We didn't get any melon, right?
water.
So I'm gonna go buy some of this, right?
I did. No, we have a whole packet.
You buy melon?
It's variety.
No melon in it?
Okay. Really?
You think melon in it?
I'm not. How much of that?
$196.
Yeah. Bye.
More 196. I just want some melon. I'm gonna like the water then. It tastes bad. We need sugar?
Yes. Just buy a small packet.
$191 for this. It's cheap. Oh, that one is $190, but this not making a difference. Let's see. How many do I need?
Huh? Something flour. One unlimited.
$453.
No, buy something refreshing.
Yeah, we need something more. You know, we need some natural juice.
We have to buy sugar, buy lime, we can buy lime and make buy lemon, make lemonade. How much for the syrup? No, why don't you buy lime and make sugar and water lemonade?
No, I don't. I prefer drink syrup and put lime in it.
Okay, well buy a syrup.
Oh, they have different prices, but everything.
See some small. Look at the different prices.
These are all, yeah, but why based on the flavor?
See a smaller one there.
Where?
Beside it, is the same
This?
size? No, the other one.
This?
Yeah.
So they're but the price based on the flavor.
Oh my God, I thought it would be the size.
You want fruit punch or cola champagne?
Cola champagne, nice.
Alright. Alright, let's go back. You need egg? The egg not go waste, right?
You don't want
No,
no.
that one's not boiled. Look at it. You want egg?
I just buy like half a dozen.
Look.
Huh? The half a dozen.
I think I want like that's gonna say cheap, but that's fine. You want it?
Yeah, that's good. You can have boiling.
Egg.
Now these are my favorite. Oh, not orange. I want the regular. Where is it? Oh, these are so good. You know what? Everything that's sweet and has too much sugar is what I like. This is orange. I don't want orange. Cupcake. Okay, I'm gonna get a strawberry and chocolate. You're not getting bread? We're gonna eat breakfast.
Patty.
No, I'm over patty. No more patty. I've been eating patty every day. I need some. Yeah, that's ridiculous. But we're gonna eat. You don't want bread?
I don't want any.
So we're gonna. Why we buy egg?
Just boil, make a boil. I don't want no bread.
We need breakfast. So
I don't want. Turn left.
All right, so just got some groceries. Groceries, just snacks, baby, kids snacks.
How much is that?
How much was it? It come to like 6,000 plus. It's not bad.
No, it is bad because we didn't get nothing. It's not like it's dinner, it's snacks. But whatever. All right, let me get. Driving in Jamaica is a job. You have to like really prepare. Oh God. And then we drive on the right side, so it's annoying. You not only
drive on the left?
This driver's side is on the right, and then we're driving on the left, so everything is the opposite. Everything. Oops, sorry. Whenever you make a mistake, I'm looking at you like you do something so wrong. Like, okay.
It's not a mistake. It's just that and I'm a mistake that you come out and
You know
when
how
you come.
they are like.
So you're gonna go left when you
Oh my God.
Oh my here.
My baby drinking. What kind of soup is it? What kind of soup again? What would I buy?
Chicken back and cow foot.
It's not chicken back. My baby drinking chicken foot and cow skin soup. Real Jamaican boy. Back for pack up the things in there.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Good morning from Jamaica. So yesterday we went to the supermarket. We got a few stuff. We didn't get much food to eat because we'll be eating more out. So just got some snacks because I still eat like a kid in Jamaica. But my mom got some ackee. Guys, this is what ackee looks like. This is ackee. We're gonna do it for breakfast. She's not doing it today. She wants patty. She still want more patty. Ackee. We bought some yam. What kind of yam? This yellow yam. Real authentic Jamaican food. If y'all Jamaican, you watch YouTube, you know what I mean when you say real. Eh? No, it's fine. It's fine. Where's saltfish there? Can't find it. We'll buy some bread. It's not Caribbean bakery.
Rice bakery. It's somebody that I know bakery though.
Okay.
Rice bakery.
This
I
is my
know
mom's
the
friend.
family. Yeah.
Well, I'm really used to Captain Bakery bread, which is really good, but this is for breakfast. We got some gizzard and more gizzard. Like I said, it's coconut. These are so good. They're so crunchy. I bought it for the baby, but I've been eating it or whatever. Got some few of these. Some flour for breakfast. Make some dumpling. More snacks.
Don't tell me Bigfoot, you love Bigfoot.
I don't love Bigfoot anymore. I don't eat Bigfoot. I didn't get any Bigfoot.
And a Bigfoot?
No. Which big? No, this is some sweet stuff. I don't know what it is. But this is so good. And I've been trying to find it in New York. It's made by Lasco and it's coconut and nutmeg. It's so good. And we can buy
And chocolate.
It's chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do with some
Betty
condensed milk, but this is Jamaican
Betty milk.
Betty milk. This is for breakfast. But
Betty milk has been around before even I was born, and I'm very old.
And I'm gonna buy some syrup. Only Jamaicans know these things. Like y'all Americans, y'all don't get it. But this is like some syrup. When I lived here, I didn't drink syrup that much, but now that I'm in New York, it's so good. And you add lemon to it, and it's just so delicious. If you want to try it, guys, it's in all your Caribbean supermarkets. Syrup.
You just pour
add
it
water
in and add water and add some lemon or lime juice to it.
So the supermarket didn't have any lemon, so we got some sour orange. So we're gonna add it to the syrup. It's gonna be so freaking good.
I mean, I care about this orange.
onion for the ackee. What is this? Oh, the cheese. We got some cheese and some sausage. I'm gonna make some right now for breakfast. What else? Mackerel. My mom wanna try this. We're gonna get more if it's good. Lasco mackerel.
Lasco mackerel is nicer. Not this chunky, this small Lasco mackerel is better than Grace mackerel. This is better than the Grace mackerel.
So good. This is like, oh my god, what's the one?
Hostess
Twinkies. This is
cake.
like Twinkies in America, but this is, we call them
A hostess
Cupcake.
cake. A hostess cake we used to call them.
but that's what you call them, cupcake.
But those are like those are,
Some banana chips, some tiki chocolate. And that's about it. Like I said, we're gonna eat out more, so we didn't get any food to cook more than mac and sawfish. We're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna head out later, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, wait, where is this? Beverly Hills?
no, not yet.
No, up the mountain. So what's on the mountain? Up there, yeah. That is Jamaica's Beverly Hills. Woo. All right, let me put this down because I can't drive and record. Okay, guys, so I'm now heading to. Oh, this is so steep. So I'm heading to Beverly Hills to have some lunch with a family friend. But this, up here, you have to like, wait. Oh gosh. What?
The entrance to Beverly Hills.
Okay, as my mom said, it's the entrance to Beverly Hills. Who live up here? What? So the Prime Minister. Guys, we made it. We made it.
Hello, how you doing? Ever seen it last time? Huh? Okay. Ready, sir. Bacon.
Dinner is served. So we're having lobster. What kind of lobster is this? So it's lobster, some green bananas,
What style is it?
mashed potatoes. You said coconut trash?
Coconut sauce.
Oh. Okay, so it's lobster, coconut sauce with some green banana, mashed potatoes, some shrimp, and some rice. Look at
Courtesy
it.
of our family member Demar.
Yes. This is gonna be so good. And we have chicken.
Oh wow! Stuffed
Nice chicken with
stuff.
callaloo.
Oh Lord!
Nice.
Chicken stuffed with callaloo.
Okay. All right, and look at JJ trying to eat before me. Look at baby JJ enjoying his food. Look at his mouth. Here I am, Lord. Just got finished eating. That was so good. We had lobster in coconut sauce. We had mashed potatoes. It also had coconut sauce and shrimp with banana. What else? Chicken, jerk chicken with callaloo. It was so good. Like, but that person, he makes food for like the elites in Jamaica, the prime minister and all that. But I just stopped to show you guys beautiful Jamaica. So I'm gonna come out right now and show you guys. Look at this. Look at wait, can you guys see it? Look, it is beautiful. This is Kingston. This is Kingston. I hope you guys could see it clearly. We're on top of Kingston right now. So beautiful. All right, y'all.
Nice.
I was about to get some ice cream. It's late at night, but we were craving ice cream. And I might get like dragon stout. What are the popular flavors? Because I'm tired of grape nut. Devil's should be a little more fancy. It should be a little more fancy. It's such a like attraction, huh? You agree? Don't you agree? What are you getting? Wait, what are we getting? We never planned this.
I'm not sure yet. I'm going to decide. What are you saying? Dragon stout and just ordinary.
What is this? Yeah, get the one. Let me see. Let me see ice cream. Roman raisin, right?
Yeah, my favorite.
Alright, let's go. Watch out. Yeah, we're hungry and tired, so we're getting more KFC. Oh my god, I'm tired. Come say? We put the money in here? Do you have to put the money in here? You realize you don't have ketchup and water sauce? Straw them out? Just still? Yes, it is. Paper straw.